కానీ నేను ఎప్పుడు హెల్త్ కంటే వెల్త్ గురించి ఎక్కువ థింక్ చేసి అందరికీ కొన్ని వేల మందికి ఇన్కమ్ సోర్స్ కల్పిస్తూ వస్తున్నాను. కానీ ఈరోజు ఐశ్వర్యతో ఇక్కడ మాకు ఇలాంటి ఫామ్ హౌస్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ఇలా కండక్ట్ చేయాలా అనే ఒక ఆలోచన ఈరోజు క్రియేట్ చేసింది యాజ్ ఏ డాక్టర్గా. కానీ ఇప్పుడు హెల్తే మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి అనేది మేము మోటివేషన్గా చెప్తుంటాం. కాబట్టి ఎప్పుడు మేము మీ సపోర్ట్ ఉంటామండి మీకు మన మైదానం తరఫున. మీ అందరితో ఈరోజు షేర్ చేసుకోవడం, ఈరోజు హ్యాపీగా రిలాక్స్గా నా మైండ్ స్ట్రెస్ నుంచి రిలాక్స్ అవ్వడం అనేది చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Ajay sir, he's IAS officer. He's come here very far, and thank you so much, sir, for coming here. Please speak a few words for the audience.
Thank you, Aishwarya. This was an excellent program conducted. I think one of the good users of a farmhouse, I'll put it. I am retired. Till last year I was chairman of Red Cross Society. I am not a doctor. My son is a doctor. So that is my connection with the doctors. And congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir. Chaitanya Anna, Sidhu Anna has always supported me in many things, not just like many part of my life. He's like family now, Vadina and Sidhu Anna both. So thank you so much for coming. And Nonihal sir, he's a pediatrician. He has his hospital. Please do come and say a few words for all the doctors. Maybe we can give a tip, fitness tip which you would suggest to everyone, and also maybe bust a fitness myth for everyone as a doctor, as a pediatrician.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Aishwarya, for getting me on this platform. I started working for the fitness right from intrauterine life. So I think this is a very good initiative. People who have missed that opportunity, they get a second opportunity during childhood, the third opportunity is during adolescence, and the fourth opportunity is the opportunity which Aishwarya has opened the eyes of a lot of people. I think this is the right platform, and rightly said, farmhouses have been used in right direction. I think all of us should try to explore this sort of thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Pradeep Garu, please, Meeru Randi, and he owns Bhaskara Hospitals. He has around 4 branches in the city. Please share your wisdom to all the doctors.
I'm Dr. Pradeep Vajja. I'm a physician and registered endocrinologist. సో ఈరోజు అంటే నేను ఎక్కువగా వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్ అవన్నీ పోతూ ఉంటాను, కానీ దిస్ వాజ్ రియల్లీ అంటే చాలా మైండ్కి చాలా కామింగ్ సెషన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇట్ వాజ్ గుడ్. అండ్ మన ఐశ్వర్య గారు మా తెలంగాణ డాక్టర్ ఫెడరేషన్ ఉమెన్స్ వింగ్ మెయిన్ అంటే మోస్ట్ యాక్టివ్ పర్సన్, అండ్ ఆల్సో మేము ఆ ఉమెన్స్ వింగ్కి మేము ప్రెసిడెంట్గా అనుకుంటున్నాం.
Okay, madam, please, Meeru Chappendu, Durga Kalyani ma'am. She's a dermatologist and she has her own clinic. Please come and say since you're into skin and health and fitness, I think you should give a few words.
Hi everyone. I'm Dr. Durga Kalyani, founder and medical director, KH Skin and Hair Clinic. I have 2 clinics. One is in Srinagar Colony, one is in Shahpur. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ అందరినీ కొత్త వాళ్ళని మీట్ అవ్వడం అండ్ అంత ఎంతూజియాస్టిక్ పీపుల్ని మీట్ అవ్వడం అనేది చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఐశ్వర్య. నాకు రీసెంట్గానే పరిచయము, బట్ చాలా అంటే ఈరోజు తనని కలవడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. అండ్ నైస్ సెషన్స్ వీ హ్యాడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Dr. Mandeep sir is an oncosurgeon and he works in Yashoda. He's launched an app for all the doctors, so maybe you can just speak about it. Just few words, just one line.
Good morning everyone. Thank you Aishwarya for the opportunity. And this is very nice place, like everyone has said, farmers ni ila kuda utilize chesukochu, and I'm feeling so much of pleasant thing. And I would like to say, as Aishwarya said, CureMOS, an application we are launching. It is an doctor-to-doctor communication application. So we'll launch it in next month. Regarding those things, we'll discuss in other places, not the right place. But thank you for the opportunity.
Dr. Ram Gopal, sir, Madhusudan Hospital, that's it. You will check it, please. Manju, sir.
I'm Dr. Ram Gopal. I'm an andrologist and penile implant surgeon. So far, I have done 235 cases for the penile implants. One suggestion for the party estate owners: keep some small huts-like things and keep this program for 1 week instead of 1 hour. And please charge it also. So it says another source of income as well as good to the society.
Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Suresh, sir, he also owns like 2 hospitals.
Thank you so much. I am Dr. Suresh Raju. We are the founder members of Telangana Doctors Federation. I think most of you know that we started Telangana Doctors Federation in 2019 for the welfare of all the doctors. You know, మన ప్రొఫెషన్ చాలా మంది బిజీగా ఉంటాము, అందరికీ కొద్ది సేఫ్టీ సెక్యూరిటీ వెల్ఫేర్ ఆఫ్ ద డాక్టర్స్ కోసమని వీ స్టార్టెడ్ దాట్. అండ్ టుడే ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ is ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్స్ కైండ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ఆర్గనైజింగ్ సార్ దిస్ మచ్. Thank you, Dr. Aishwarya, for this opportunity. Thank you all.
Dr. Sharat Chandra, sir, there are 2 Sharat Chandras, plastic surgeon and gastro. So, sir, any of you please step, both of you maybe please come to the stage. Sir, me Randy, sir, me Dan gurinchi cheppandi. Everyone.
Thank you, Aishwarya, for conducting an event on yoga. As a lifestyle, I think it should be adapted by all of us. Dr. Sharat, plastic surgeon, Kims Kondapur. I think hopefully most of us will take it up as a sort of a regular habit to improve our flexibility, lifestyle, and our sensibility. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dr. Balaganesh, sir, has surgeons for you, where he sends surgeons to different hospitals and they work. So, sir, me Dan gurinchi cheppandi.
Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone woke up from sleep like me. Hope this is a wonderful session, and from the beginning of the day, it seems to be a very positive, vibrant atmosphere in and around. And I really appreciate Aishwarya here personally, because we were traveling from last few days regarding the arrangements and everything. She has a keen interest in organizing everything, in favor of everyone who are coming today. Hope everyone have really enjoyed, and I have enjoyed thoroughly. In the last, I was completely sleeping. So really, it was a wonderful session, Aishwarya, and it has taken a lot of effect from her and his father as well, and from everyone of their family members. So as coming from my surgeon for you, we do all type of surgeries from head to toe, and I have 5 different branches in Hyderabad. So it's not my professional thing to say here, but I'm very fortunate to be in front of everyone and speak in front of you all. And I hope this type of events should come hereafter to refresh us, to enlighten us, and to get connected with the positive minds around. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Thank you all. Thank you.
Kolkata Knight Riders, yeah, KKR, and he's a sports orthopedician. So please give us a few words since you are into fitness already.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Orthopedic surgeon. So I'm a specialist in knee and hip replacements, and complex trauma obviously. So this is very good actually. Chana roll to the yoga session, actually attend the and the vibe. We usually see daily positive and negative vibes every day. Here, there was definitely a very good positive vibe because of the environment, because of the yoga teacher, because of the instruments and all. I don't know what it is, but there's definitely a positive vibe which should be imbibed into your soul, because we daily deal with all kinds of vibes. Here there's only positive vibes, so that's good. So thank you, Aishwarya, for organizing this very good event. And I'm an orthopedic surgeon, so I'm always there as a physio, as an orthopedic surgeon. So she'll be a better person.
Dr. Padmini ma'am, ma'am is a gynecologist, senior most gynecologist.
morning, everybody. I think I'm the oldest out here who did the yoga. I'm 69 years old. I was in the army for some time. Now I've been in the civil stream for the past 25 years. And I've known Aishwarya for the past 2 years? Yes. 2 years. And I think I really thank God for giving such a forceful, dynamic girl, a surgeon, a beautiful girl in the world. And such a breathtaking session she's done today, and kudos to her. And 3 cheers to the parents who have given birth to her. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Thank you for almost, I think, 8 years now. So, advice for everyone.
Hi, I'm Dr. Monica. I'm a radiologist. I just started my new diagnostic center. It's called Prana Diagnostics. I started this in a very rural setup because I want to take the high-end missionary and high-end diagnostics to all the rural sectors where there are no diagnostics available for the treatment. So that is my goal, and I want to spread it across I want to make more centers, and I want to spread it across. And thank you, Aishwarya, for this wonderful session. It was so peaceful in my chaotic career, and all this. This was felt so peaceful. Thank you so much, everyone.
Me and his family too. Uma auntie and my mother's friends. Veena auntie, thank you so much, and helping also with the cooking a little bit. Akshay, thank you so much for coming. And I want to introduce my brother-in-law. He is my and my sister too. Dolly, Animisha, might have heard of him, Gotumukala Surya Narayan Raju, GSN Raju. So he's also a general surgeon, and do give us a few words on your insight on fitness and on today's event. Dolly.
I am Venkat. Yes. My father is a surgical oncologist. I recently graduated from general surgery. Working there. I think it's a great to take some time to just work on our inner nature and just relax a little bit with the ancient knowledge of yoga. And I think it's a great privilege that we are from this country, that we have the knowledge of yoga.
His farmhouse is almost just 1% of what the kind of a farmhouse he has maintained and he is maintaining. Vintage village. It is in Borgiri, and we have enjoyed his hospitality also. It was very good. And today he has brought very good fruits from his farmhouse. You will be able to enjoy them there. He is spreading up. I asked him to come and say some few words, but I think he is hesitant. Maybe because of his bald head. He should not put a wig.
Chaitanya, now please, Okasar Randi. So he is an environmentalist. He has took up almost 40 acres of barren land, which is not at all nourished, dry, and he's made it now into a dense forest area. Not forest, but yeah, densely with trees, filled with trees. So he travels a lot and does a lot of what do you say? Anna, మీరు వచ్చి మీ దాని గురించి చెప్పరా ప్లీజ్.
Yoga Day.
Thank you so much. So we'll start with the Diya lighting. We'll have a group picture. With all women, please, everyone, Winnie, mother, Uma auntie, Veena auntie, please, everyone, mummy,
So I don't take in clients less than 3 months. I don't take in clients beyond a year, because if I'm not able to teach a client within a year, that means either I'm doing something wrong or he or she is doing something wrong. So there's no sync, and there's no point taking money beyond a year. And I can't teach anyone below 3 months, because normally you take 3 months to adapt to a situation or to adapt to a particular lifestyle. My base level job is to correct your hormones via your lifestyle, so that I teach you how to eat, so that you do not panic in situations like when you have to go on a trip and when you have to go on a party. I believe in staying lean 365 days throughout a year. The biggest myth in the fitness industry, two things are, one is sweat burns fat, which is false. I'm sure a lot of doctors would agree to that. And the second thing is, yes, you can have a six-pack throughout the year 365 days. That's about it. Thank you so much.
Happy Women's Wing launch.
హ్యాపీ ఉమెన్స్ వింగ్ లాంచ్. ఐశ్వర్య, ప్రదీప్ గారు, అందరు డాక్టర్స్ అందరికి, ఉమెన్ లేడీ డాక్టర్స్ అందరికి.
The woman behind me
మీ మదర్ కదా?
and the one with me and the one always for me.
మనం తినేస్తే బెటర్.
బాగుంది కేక్, బాగుంది. చేర్చుగా తినలేదు మా